Hello, my lovely log minions, and those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Umfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. And on this channel, we're gonna go over stretches that releases tight hips in about 15 minutes. So hang on for that ride and join. Hello. And don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Duh. So, if you haven't already noticed, I started the challenge to release my tight hips in just 15 minutes. Can I really do it? My tight hips are very common for me and it sucks, but there are things that I can do to maintain my overall health. If nobody told you, tight hips can be a real pain, like literally affecting my daily activities and causing discomfort. But what I did discover is simple actions like walking or climbing stairs became not challenging, but it irritated me. So if this is left untouched, I feel like it limits my range of motion. And since I am a dancer, I need range of motion. So I feel like my posture suffered. My overall mobility is compromised. And man, it just impacts my daily activities. It may not seem like a lot to you, but it was a lot for me. And so I decided to do something about it. So I also have a job where I sit all day, and I don't think that's the best for my hips. And things that I started incorporating into my everyday life or lifestyle is regular exercising and maintaining good posture can and did and will help alleviate tight hips. I'm very more aware of what my body is doing throughout the day. And let me tell you something. Hip flexibility is crucial for your overall mobility and athletic performance. And since I dance, I need it all. And without it, we're more prone to injury, and movement is key. So get up and move. Duh. So guess what I decided to do? I decided to start releasing my tight hips. I feel like it's very simple, and once you figure that out, it can be very effective, especially if you put it into a routine. So here are some things that I've done besides what I'm doing in this video. I started standing with my feet more and became more aware of like shoulder width apart movement when I'm walking, when I'm sitting, when I'm taking large steps. I really think about what my legs are doing, my feet, my knees, my back, and it has helped a lot. As you follow along, remember to listen to your body and only go as far as you feel comfortable. The goal is to release tension, not to cause pain. Take your time. Don't rush through the stretches and enjoy. Reminder, regular hip mobility exercises are vital for maintaining flexibility and preventing tightness. By incorporating these stretches in your daily routine, you'll notice significant improvement in your overall mobility and comfort. that's it. We gone through a series of stretches to release tight hips in just 15 minutes, and I hope you found it helpful. If you tried this routine, let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. And don't forget to check out my other videos on flexibility and mobility. Peace.